Savita Ajitraj. I lead the customer-facing disputes and resolutions product at PayPal.
My name is Sarathi Rajagopalan. So I manage the product team for risk management at PayPal.
Product management is a very new field. It's still evolving in the industry. So there's no predefined curriculum as such. So we spend a lot of time in terms of how can we make it more practical. And we went through basically two aspects. One is what are the various hard skills required to become a product manager, how to go about doing customer research, how to do product analytics, how to measure and come up with the KPIs. Then the other side of product manager is actually really the soft skills, because nobody reports to you and still you have to influence people to actually roll amazing products out and make a difference in the life of people.
So we picked Great Lakes because of the proximity and also the like-mindedness that we saw. We started first actually with some projects and internship given to Great Lakes students, and then we morphed that and we into a product management 101 course. A professor teaching would be totally theoretical. When a product owner does the same thing, so he can come up with live examples of what kind of challenges or how does he do it end to end in terms of from all the way from design to product execution much easily.
We are very thankful to Balaji sir from the corporate placements committee, because he's trying to bring the best of academic world and the best of industry world to the students of Great Lakes, so that when they pass out, they have the best of both the worlds and are ready business managers and now ready product managers.
This is a mini certification in product management. Why this certification is so special is that it is highly industry relevant, contemporary and unique in terms of providing our students all the knowledge and skills that are required to launch products in today's world and in today's environment. It is unique in the sense that it takes on real life challenges and problems rather than treating them from a purely theoretical perspective. As such, our students get a hands-on experience in launching products, which might actually come in handy when they are thinking about taking on roles in industry in product management. This certification is one of several others that we are planning to launch, and we are talking to our industry partners, particularly in the areas of fintech, in consulting and other areas, so that we would be able to offer a broad portfolio of such certifications to our students so that they can actually compete better in the marketplace.
The PayPal product management program is a unique and innovative collaboration between the career and corporate services at Great Lakes and PayPal. Typically, when we think of products, we think of something which is tangible and physical. And when we think of services, we tend to think of something which is intangible. The uniqueness of this industry academia collaboration that we have done is that it teaches our graduating MBA students how to manage products in the service space, how to develop them, launch them, market them, and nurture them. And it's a skill set that they are going to carry with them the rest of their lives and careers. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the senior executives of PayPal who so generously gave their time, came to the campus, handheld our students, guided them, and gave them the valuable insights that they have gained at PayPal, which also happens to be one of the world's leading product service management companies.